And Nepal is mourning one of its greatest sporting heroes. Tributes pour in from across the globe for world-renowned mountaineer Nirmal Purja, celebrated for redefining high-altitude climbing. We have a report.
Nepal is mourning the loss of one of its most celebrated mountaineers, Nirmal Purja. As tributes continue to pour in, those closest to him are remembering not just a global climbing icon, but the fearless and determined boy they grew up with. Nirmal's cousin, Kamala KC, says that relentless determination defined him from childhood, a trait that later carried him to the summit of every mountain he dreamed of conquering. Purja became a global icon after achieving what many believed impossible, climbing all 14 of the world's highest peaks in just over 6 months in 2019, smashing the previous record. Back in his ancestral village, grief has turned into tribute. Local authorities declared a day of mourning, while officials announced plans to honor Purja with a statue.
एक दिन हामीले शोक मनाउने भनेर गाउँपालिकाले पनि सार्वजनिक बिदा घोषणा गरेको छ र साथै अध्यक्षज्यूले उक्त घोषणामा यो उहाँको चाहिँ एउटा स्तम्भ मूर्ति बनाउने भन्ने पनि चाहिँ पत्रमा लेख्नु भएको छ.
Nirmal Purja, who inspired millions with his record-breaking achievements on the world's highest peaks, was killed in an avalanche. He was among 10 climbers killed after an avalanche struck their expedition on Broad Peak in Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan region. The 8,051-meter peak is considered one of the world's most technically challenging climbs. His expedition company confirmed his death, while rescuers later recovered his body from the mountain.